Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Yapzor and welcome to another episode of the Photoshop Made Easy series. Today we are going to be talking about colors, and as you know, colors is one of the most important things when working on pictures or files, especially with flyers. You need nice colors to make the design very beautiful, and where you get your colors is very important, and it's one of the most basic things to easily get. So for instance, if you're having a text, let me increase the font size to at least 72, make it more visible, and you are typing. So let's say for instance I'm typing geographics. I have the color being what? Red, and this is the color panel. This shows the color on the text menu, so I can change it to any color that I prefer, and this is a color picker for you. This is the one that is in Adobe. You can also change this one to whatever color picker you want, but this is one of the best ones I would recommend that you use. So you move this, and while you adjust it, you can be what? Checking out how how the color should be, or how you are mixing it. You can type in the color code here. Let's say FFFF, that's white, 0. So if you know the hex, you can also use what? You can mix colors up. Then you can mix them up and what? Use it, and that's just how you'll be able to select colors. And if you are using brushes or any other thing, you can always change the color here. So when you click on this, you can change the color. So let's say for instance I've changed it to black. If I'm drawing a shape, it takes the color of what is already there, and you can also change the shape color here. So these are recently used colors, and you can always use them at any time you want. You can change it here. When I come to shapes, I'll show you how you can be able to use gradients as this thing, like I'm doing right now. I'll explain that one into more details. So that's just it for the color aspect, and we have what we call swatches. So this is also another color picker. This is basically just the same thing. This is almost the same thing, and we have the color swatches here. So these are saved colors on it, on the Photoshop this thing. So when you open that one and you're working with it, so let's say I have this shape selected, so you can pick any color from here. So this is the RGB column, CMYK. There are many colors that are saved here, and you can add your own color swatches. So if you are using a design and you get a particular color, maybe you mix up colors for a particular time, like this. Okay, so let me select the shape, then mix colors. So let's say I need a blue kind of color. Properties. Okay. This is not reflecting directly, but you can find whatever you are doing here. So let's say I'm looking for a blue darkish color, and I'm able to adjust it, and I get this particular color, which I like it and would like to use in my next design. What I can do is I can just simply save it to swatches. Add swatches. For now, my PC, the RAM is not high, so it will slow it down a bit. But when you add swatches, it what? Saves and comes down here. And at any time, you can always come back to what? To pick it. And it's the same thing. And with gradients to that one, they are not swatches. And gradients to in Photoshop cc2020, which I recommended, they already inbuilt gradients that you can use. There are many as you can possibly use, and you can install more gradients from the net. So you just go and search for a particular gradient, and you'll be able to install it on it, and it adds up. So those are the basics of colors and gradients that you can use in Photoshop CC2020. I believe this video, as I said, is a short video, so this is just the colors aspect of it. But when I get to the various items, so when we are talking about text, you'll be able to find out how you can apply colors on particular text, parts of the text, and the other stuff that's needed, and likewise with shapes and images, how you can apply it on images. So that is it for this video. And if you've not subscribed, kindly do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe button, and also thumbs up to this video. It helps the video to also go higher, and if I recommend that you share this video and the whole series to a friend to help the person also acquire a new skill this new year. So till I see you in the next episode, it's bye bye.